Hi friends, so we're going to answer, these are our questions for the Pout Pout fish. And so who was the main character in our story? Was the main character a whale? Was the story about a whale? No, I don't think so. Was it about a crab? No, no crab in this story. Was it about a fish? It was. The story, the main character in the story is a fish. Our story was about a fish. So main character is fish. Excellent job. All right, now what is the setting? Where did the story take place? Did it take place in an ocean? I think it might have, yeah. Was it in a barn? No, fish don't live in a barn. What about a zoo? You're right. The setting is the ocean. Very good. You guys were good listeners. All right, now who did Mr. Fish see first? Did he see the squid first? No, he didn't see him first. What about the jellyfish? We can look and see. We can do a little bit of research. Let me see. I've got our book right here. And we can do some research in case you guys forget. Who did he see first? That's right, he saw the clam first. So Mr. Fish saw the clam first. Very good. Good listening. All right, now, who did Mr. Fish see second? All right, we can do our research. The clam was first. Who's gonna, oh, blah, blah, blah. He's very sad. And who did he see second? Oh, that's right. Was that the squid? No, it was the jellyfish. So Mr. Fish saw the jellyfish second. Excellent. Was there a whale in the story? Did he see a whale? No, the whale did not try to cheer him up. What about an octopus? Yes, there was an octopus in the story. All right. Now, how does Mr. Fish feel at the beginning of the story? Is he silly? I don't think Mr. Fish was ever, well, certainly not at the beginning he wasn't silly. Was he happy? No, he was not happy. Oh, he was so sad. Blub, blub, blub. That's sad. Sad for fish. Now, what were Mr. Fish's friends trying to do? Were they trying to get Mr. Fish to go to sleep? They were not singing a bed lullaby or reading him a book. No. Were they trying to cheer him up? Yes. Or were they trying to get him to leave? No, they were trying to cheer him up. Now, why do his friends want Mr. Fish to be happy? This says he was spreading dreary wearies. Was that what he was doing? Yeah. Was he yelling? He wasn't yelling at them. No. Was he kissing his friends? At the end, he was. But when he was sad, he was spreading dreary wearies all over the place. So sad. All right, now what does a pout look like? Is a pout a smile? That's not a pout. Is a pout a frown? Yes, a pout is a frown. Is a pout an open mouth? No, it's a frown. Whoop. Who helped solve Mr. Fish's problem? Was it a clam? No, Mr. Fish said, I am who I am with the clam. Was it an octopus? No, he said, I wish I could change, but I can't. Was it another fish? It was another fish. And that other fish was very nice to Mr. Fish, wasn't he? Or she. It. So how did Silverfish make Mr. Fish happy? Did he play chase with him? No. Did he kiss him? Yeah, the silverfish kissed Mr. Fish? Or did the silverfish give Mr. Fish a high five? No, she kissed him. Silverfish kissed Mr. Fish. All right, so when does Mr. Fish feel happy? Was it at the beginning of the story? No, beginning of the story. He's spreading dreary weary. He's going blub, blub. Was it at the middle of the story? No, the middle of the story. He's spreading dreary wearies. Blub, blub. Was it at the end of the story? Yes. He felt happy at the end of the story. Did Mr. Fish think he could change his face, his expression? He didn't think so. He thought he was a pout-pout fish. But really, he was a kiss-kiss fish. Now, what other animal, or what kind of animals were in the story? Were they farm animals? No, it was not a I'm a pout-pout cow, or I'm a pout-pout pig. It was a fish. Were they pets? Did you see dogs or cats in our story? Nope. Were they ocean animals, fish and squid? Yeah, ocean animals were in the story. Good. All right, now what are some other animals that live in the ocean? Does a dolphin live in the ocean? Yes, a dolphin lives in the ocean. What about a horse? No, get out of town. A horse does not live in the ocean. What about a crab? Yeah, a crab lives in the ocean. A bear? No. What about a turtle? Yes, sea turtles live in the ocean. And then some turtles live on land. Does an elephant live in the ocean? That's so silly. No. What about a whale? Yep, a whale lives in the ocean. What about a seahorse? Yes. Now, a horse on the farm does not live in the ocean, but a seahorse looks very different from a regular horse, and that lives in the ocean. It's even called seahorse with a C. And then shark. Does a shark live in the ocean? Yeah. No. Awesome job, friends. You did so well with our story. And I have something in my surprise box. Okay, so we'll do, there's something in my box that's trying to hide. There's something in my box that's trying to hide. I'll just use my eyes and take a peek inside. There's something in my box that's trying to hide. Now, do you think I might have farm animals in my box? No, because our book was not about farm animals. No. Do you think I might have pets in my box? You might hear my dogs barking, but they are not in my box. All right, I have 2 animals in my box that live in the ocean. I have, let's go this way. That's right, it's a dolphin. So I have a dolphin in my box, and I have, it's got 8 legs, an octopus in my box. Yeah, a little octopus and a dolphin. 1, 2. There was, one of these was in our story. The octopus was in our story. Was the dolphin in our story? No, but he lives in the ocean, so I thought it would be fun to have him in the box as well. I want you guys to think about what dolphin starts with, d, and octopus, ah. What do those animals start with? And I want you to think about what color are these? This one is, think about it. Tell your mom or dad or whoever you're watching this with. I hear you. You're getting it. And then what color is our dolphin? All right. I hope you guys are having a great day. I miss you a ton, and I hope to see you soon. All right.